Ano ba ginagawa mo? Nagta-type ka ba?
Dad believed working in a bakery was my destiny. Living with dry hair is what Mom believed. But I believe I can change my destiny.
Ay, mali.
Yes! May money na. So, sabihin mo kay mama, marunong ka na mag-cheat.
Meron pa, dito, meron pa.
Sabihin mo na, dito, tumingin ka dito. Sabihin mo, hi mama.
Hi, mama.
Marunong na ka maglagay ng cheat.
May na ko yung ay tips.
Oh, sige, maglagay ka pa. Full clip.
Oh. Tapos, ito.
Martina, she's very precious to me. She drinks milk. I believe in giving her the right food and milk. Good diet, good nutrition. One day she said, Mommy, I'm healthier.
Ay, mali.
Mali. Ulit-ulit.
Ito.
Ulit-ulit. F. Isa lang. Isang pindot lang.
Tapos,
U. Okay.
yun!
Approve ka, approve. Nakita mo. Kanto. Galing dilan. Okay.
Yan ah. Ito bat ko, papa, oh. Ito, papa. Ito ang bat ko.
Yan.
Ito ang bat ko, oh. Boom, 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 boom.